Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Before we get started with today's video, give this video a huge thumbs up, consider subscribing, and check out our website, EM Performance, down below. Today's video is really an update video about the state of my BMW e46 and its rust. As many of you know, I've tried to get the rust fixed. I've had some of the rust fixed at a shop near me in Brockton, Massachusetts. However, the job that they did is incredibly terrible, and a lot of the rust is coming back, and we have even more rust on the rocker panel and the jack point, and I'm about to show you guys the state of it. I did bring the car somewhere to have the rust taken care of. I brought it to a good shop that I know. I've been doing some coating work for him, and he kind of just said, hey Evan, I don't think it's worth it. Let's grab the VIN, and he said he would swap everything over into a new shell. So I don't know, I'm showing you guys as an update video. I really don't want to part with the car, but I don't know what else to do, so just thought I'd make another video showing the E46 and the state of the rust and so on. So taking a walk around it, here's the front. We were actually just looking for water getting into the cabin. I'm having that issue as well, but well, we have that. That was from painting it. That was our screw up, but this is the spot that's terrible. One, we have bubbling happening right here, which is originally why I brought this car to get fixed. As you know, the E46 is famous for having rust in these little arch areas. So brought the car to a place called Spike Speed Shop in Brockton to have that fixed. They patched in a quarter, and as you can see, here's where they patched it in. This was a small little spot and just got worse and worse and worse, and now it's terrible. There's nothing I can really do. I put tape over it to try to keep it from happening, but guys, it is absolutely terrible now. I really don't know what to do. I'm very torn on what to do with this car, if I should just junk it. As you can see, it's pretty bad. I'm hoping maybe some body shop person sees this video and can give some suggestions on what they would personally do. I mean, it's so expensive. So yes, this is all probably fixable. I get that. If you see that and be like, oh, I could fix that. That's not terrible. But let me show you guys where it gets really bad. We have more rust in there. We have rust all the way over here. Down in here, you can't see it, but the battery tray was replaced by that shop in Brockton called Spikes. They no longer exist, actually, so I wonder why. But the battery box under there was replaced. It's starting to rust as well. That's already been replaced. But here's where stuff gets really interesting. It's this area right here. You can't see under it. I doubt you'll be able to see that, but I have the whole interior part. So if you come in here, this is an absolute nightmare. We have, this is starting to rust. This is separating. We have literal holes down to the ground. You can see right through there is a hole. Literally, I can stick my finger through there. That's all rusting. That's rusting. I can even, the whole thing moves when I put my hand on it. It's just cracking beyond belief. So all there goes into here, and rust is like cancer, guys. It just continues and continues and continues. So this area is very skeptical about, because we have the jack point, right? The jack point probably sits, probably, I think it sits right behind this piece, the jack point. So that's really concerning that that whole area is rusting beyond belief. What I'm going to do right now, just to slow it down, is I'm going to spray some rust prohibitor on it and just try to slow it down as much as I can. I really don't know what else to do. This situation makes me very upset, and to the point that I want to cry because I don't know what to do about it. But there is a look at it. The other things that are rusted, the other side, you can't really see it. Maybe you can. Yeah, the other side is not nearly as bad, but still has a little bit of corrosion. Guys, so that is the extent of the damage and the rust that you've seen. It's been going on for years. It's just something that I feel it doesn't make sense financially to do. Yes, to keep the car would be very cool. I've already spent, I think, $6,000 at Spike Speed Shop. Rust is coming back. I'm afraid of doing it again, spending money again, and having it come back, right? That would just be a waste of money for nothing. Yes, it would keep the car around, but at the same time, I mean, maybe it is time to just get another E46 that's in better shape. Stupid me bought this car without knowing how bad the rust was. I think I've mentioned the story multiple times on my channel, but I went out and bought this car with my dad, and he kind of just let me have at it and let me look at it and said, okay, if it's a shitbox, we will sell it. Turned out to be a shitbox. We were just going to flip it, but he unfortunately passed away from cancer. So I kind of got stuck with this car, and something I feel like I can't sell, but at the same time, financially, and it doesn't make sense. And I think financially, my dad would probably say, get rid of it. just due to the burden that it has been and how much it's going to cost. But I don't know, something in me can't let it go. One of my good friends and someone that I do some coding with, his name's Eris. I was talking to him and he was like, why don't you just put it in a storage box and just leave it? Buy a storage place, leave it, go look at it, go start it, but don't drive it. And I was like, hey, that's not a bad idea. The car doesn't owe me anything. So that's another thing that I'm thinking about doing, and then potentially trying to get an e46 M3. But let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. I'm happy to interact with you guys. You can message me on Instagram at Evan Goyak, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on what I should do with this car. And hopefully with enough time and thought, I can figure out what is the right decision for me and ultimately for the channel to do with the car. Thank you guys very much for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.